Mmiri zobe zobe. Anwụ chaba chaba. Agaghị m aba n'ụlọ onye kpọrọ m asị.
70 years old man.
Nne.
This man.
Asị m otu a ịtọ ọtọ n'ezi. Amụka nne ya atọ ụta.
Are you not going to drink? Let's take something now.
After the show now. After the show.
It's okay.
After the show.
That is not corrupt. You are a bad boy.
Nwayọ. Aka ndị niile ha. Aka ndị niile telo na ọ ga-eju ya afọ. Ụlọ ya emekata bulu m. Ahụ nkụ aga anụ.
Why are you doing this?
Wait.
Our people are only qualified to guide pipelines.
Come this morning.
Why?
Go.
This is not what you're giving to me.
No, go. Oi, pala mo na ino.
6'5".
Let's keep it here. Okay. And this is my eyeglass. So let's keep it here. If you wake up in the morning,
Okay.
you go to count this morning.
Okay.
Yeah? If it's complete, fine. But if not complete, you know it's only me and you are here.
Excuse you, I don't understand. What do you mean?
You say wait.
No.
That only me and you, meaning what?
Yeah.
No, meaning what?
It's a very simple thing.
You say wait.
What do you take me for? Because you saw me on the roadside and what do you take me for?
Okay,
Is it because of this chieftaincy cap you are wearing or what do you take me for, you this old fool?
Lagos. Is that how Lagos people do?
Don't ever try this with me. Because I managed to even say I should even be with you. See, if you see me next time, don't near me. Then do this change that these miscreants. Rubbish.
Everyone to go.
My life be like.
Onyala. Mba, kama kwa sehemu gani?
She daddy.
Awe vena vena nkale dia. Ya? Mba, mago gum. Tamu nko aba anuma. Ido go manga. Ola bruzia nke wa moto. Mba, If Mugu. Ona say me because I see you on the road. Mba, na ben nagi mo chale dia. Na ben nagi chale dia. Bien? Moi en phone. Hey!
Risaki.
Apa dari mama ka kota ada? Apa mama? Apa dari mama? Ya, ya.
Uncle B.